Hello everyone, this is our Model 135D CNC equal diameter hole collaring machine for stainless steel tubes, specially developed for liquid cooling pipe applications. A standout feature of this equipment is that the flanged hole diameter can match the outer diameter of the tube perfectly. The stainless steel tube shown in the video has an outer diameter of 90 mm and a wall thickness of 2.0 mm. To achieve optimal flanging quality, pre-cutting a pilot hole at the flanging position is required before loading the tube into the machine. For workpieces with smaller target hole sizes, the machine can complete both punching and flanging in one single process, eliminating the need for pre-cut pilot holes.